Tier1's Client Center empowers users to increase efficiency in their daily workflows. One powerful way we help users reclaim time in their day is through call report templates. Let's take a look at how it works. In the gray Interactions bar, select the drop-down arrow on the dialog box and select Create Call Report Template. Here, you can enter multiple data attributes that you know will be relevant during an upcoming planned interaction or client call. First, name the template. Add a subject line that will appear as the subject of your call report. Select the call type, in this case, an outbound call to a client. Add topics that you plan to discuss with your customer about. For this market conditions call, we'll add macro, industrials, and consumer staples. Finally, put in commentary that will be discussed on your call. By selecting Add in the blue button, we've added our market conditions template. Now close the dialog box. Next, choose a key contact that you'll start your calls with. In this case, Brackett Capital Management's Chairman and Chief Investment Officer, Greg Brackett. Going back to the gray Interactions bar, we can select from the drop-down menu the Market Conditions Call Report template. And up launches our call report with all the attributes we pre-filled already selected for us. All that's left for us to do is log any additional commentary or follow-up tasks that happen on the call with Greg, such as sending him the latest Caterpillar model. Let's recap. By creating the Market Conditions Call Report template, when we launched the template, as we called Greg Brackett, we were able to have 10 data elements associated with this interaction pre-filled for ourselves. Subject, comments, interaction type, the date and time of interaction were captured when we clicked to launch the template with a default value for the duration of the call. Topics were pre-selected, and the external participant, Greg Brackett, and the internal participant, Dan Carling, were both automatically added. If these 10 data elements took us just 1 minute to add per call report, and we called 20 customers to talk about market conditions today, we've just saved ourselves 20 minutes that we can spend on the phone with customers driving revenue.